Hi everyone. So in our last video we have created our login buttons. Now we need to create these carousels view. So the idea is it will be there will be three graphical items, and after a few seconds it will automatically slide from left to right, and this is the indication of that. So in this video we are gonna implement this. So to do that, I have already, okay, so let me increase the font size first. Okay, now it looks good. So to do that, I have just created a carousel item class to hold those data. So previously you saw in our last video that we have imported those SVGs to our asset folder, and this is the path for each one, right? So simply I have created a, carousel item class for holding those data, and I have also created a carousel items list to hold that three carousel items data. So it has image path, title and subtitle, which represents this one. So this is the image path and title and subtitle. So we have now data to our hand. Now we are gonna need to code it, but as you know that Flutter has a rich carousel library in pub.dev. So we're gonna use that one. So if I go to that carousel, whatever, carousel slider, so this is the library, and this has some rich documentation and rich functionalities. So if you just go to the carousel slider, you'll see that there is a widget called carousel slider, and that takes some items, and inside that there is an one options, and that you can use to control everything from there. So we are going to use our carousel slider.builder, and ultimately we're going to construct our views. So to do that we need to add carousel slider dependency. So copy it and go to your pubspec, and I'm gonna paste that here. Now do flutter pubget. What? Yeah, so flutter pubget, that's done. Now come back to here, and we're gonna have a carousel widget. So inside our expanded center we're gonna have a carousel, okay, carousel widget, and we need to create that one. So stfl, okay, so carousel widget. There's a reason to put every widget here, because we don't need this carousel widget in any other places. So it's better to put onboarding pages private widget here that will not be commonly used. Otherwise you will be overwhelmed with file structure, so that we don't want to do that. So if we come here and we need to do the carousel slider. So items would be our carousel items, and the options would be, so this would be definitely okay. We're going to use actually the carousel slider dot builder widget, so that has some different implementation. So not carousel slider dot builder, and here the and if you go to the documentation, it says item count and item builder. So item count, and the item count would be carousel items dot length, and item builder will be context state. Let's see the definition of item builder. So context index real index, context index real index. So it's gonna ultimately return a column of widget that we're gonna do later. Fine, what does it say? The option is required, so habit option, carousel options, carousel options. Good. Now inside our column, we're gonna need is individual item. So our that will be our first SVG, then title and subtitle. So SVG picture.asset, and it will be our assets name. So first final item equal carousel items. So we are getting the item there. Now we're gonna add item dot image path. And do you need to anything to specify? Yeah, the width will be media query of size of context dot width minus, let's say for 150. So we're gonna just specifying 150 here. Now if we run the app, we need to rerun the app. Something is wrong above here. So what does it say? It says that to correct in the name of existing method or defining the method. Okay, so we have carousel widget, not carousel. Okay, got it. So that will be our carousel widget, whatever. Now we need to rerun the app, and we're gonna see the image is coming. And let's change something there using the option. So if you read the documentation, and you must read the documentation before using any library, so you will see that the carousel option has autoplay, enlarge center page, viewport fraction, aspect ratio, and initial page. So it includes everything that you need to have the same design. So we need to work on the carousel options, and to do that, so first specify that our view will be one by one. Before that, let's add those title and subtitle. So text will be item dot title, and text and item dot subtitle. And inside title, the style would be, let's check the style. So the style would be label large, and this one is body medium. Okay, so we have our style here, text styles. Now we're going to use context dot text theme. How we are going to use that? Let's see. We definitely have text theme, and text theme is okay. So we're going to use this way, text theme dot title large, and another one would be body medium. I just forgot, check again, body medium and title label large. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, label large. That's cool. So if we refresh, so we need to set the viewport faction first. So you see that we are seeing some other text here, so we don't want to do that. So that will be aspect ratio 1 by 1, and viewport faction would be 1 or 0, let's see. So definitely not 0, and definitely not 1, and enlarge factor would be 0, and enlarge center page would be false or true. We're gonna need true. But how it's looking? Are we having two? Why we have two? Did you accidentally paste two? We have one here. The pixel is one, but why it's showing two? I don't understand. Column. Yeah, fine. Now let's make the aspect ratio 1 by 1. Definitely 1 by 1. What's wrong? Fine. Now we are gonna need the viewport faction should be 1. Fine. So now text align need to be text align dot center, and same for here. Cool. But see that our theme is not correctly applied. Label large, so style is label large not applied. Why the label large is not applied? We definitely have the label large. Body medium. So what if we say title large? Just wanna say things. Go to light theme and check for label large. Definitely we have label large and 18. Okay, so let's use this way. Text styles dot label large. Now that is working, but why not with, okay, let's forget that one first and use this way, and we're going to explain later why. Body medium, that would definitely have some padding. Symmetric, delete inside, horizontal 150 as well. Too much. That's cool. Now we need to add a size box. Too much. That's cool. So let's move all of them below. Okay, now it looks good, but we need to also specify the size box. So we need to add also a size box inside text and title and image, and that would be a little bit height. So if you check the design, and this has something here. Okay, no worries. If you it's now scrollable, so let's make it autoplay to true, and it should automatically scroll. Yeah, as you can see, it's automatically scrolling. And you need to read the carousel option documents, and you can use all of this thing, autoplay curve, which is fast out slow in. I think that's better with us. Okay, so we are having everything we needed here, except this animation indicator, right? And in the next video we are gonna implement this indicator, and if you can also scroll it here. So that's it. And before stopping today's video, I wanna say you one more thing, that I am currently planning to launch the master flutter from codecast to clean architecture course. I have already mentioned course outline here, so I'm not going to brief them in this now, but what I would say that we are going to build a complete new application using clean architecture and writing test codes. Also, we're going to refactor a code, and we'll make it comply the clean architecture, and also we'll write some test code. So if you wanna game up your flutter learning and flutter skill, you must enroll to this course. Currently I am doing some pre-sale, so you're getting 80% sale right now if you just buy now. And when I will launch the course, I will just adjust the pricing to regular one. So I'll put this link to description, so just check it out. And also this is our 15 number of tutorial series, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just do it and leave some comment if I need to improve some other things. So that's it, and we will together build the animation indicator in the next video. Bye.